Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Learn S1. This is Mitisha Ayesha S1. I welcome all of you, my new and my previous subscribers. You are subscribing, you are commenting or liking my videos. That's matter a lot for me. So keep supporting like this because we have to take this channel in million views together. Okay, so in the last video I have taught you how you can add borders in MS Word document and you showed a great response on that video. So today I decided to teach you how you can add header, footer and also page number in your MS Word document. So this is the most interesting and good thing for your future. So you must have to watch till the end and you have to comment me down if you like the video. Okay, let's start it. So we will go with insert, and here in the insert button you will find it header, footer or page number. Let's go with header first. Header is basically the upside of the page. Header is something that you will write it, and after when you will go to next page there is no need to write it again. It will automatically come as header. For example, let's see with one header. If I write here teacher Ayesha R. This is my username. You see it, once you will write it, you will press enter, and when you will go down to the next page, the header will come automatically. See, in the next page, it will come automatically. So no matter you will go to 50 pages, the header will come in one, like you have to set header at one time and it will come on all the pages. So let's see some more options on header. We have three options of header, or we have see header like this as well. So here we can close and header footer as well from there or press enter. So header means you will just put the highlight the above, or and from here you can remove header, you can edit header or more headers, you can find the templates from there. Anyway, this is header. Also, you will see that there is an amazing header style. Like you see it, this one is also good. You will find it the header like the page number as a header or anything. So a header is that. Now let's see for the footer. Footer is that you will put it at the bottom of the page. For example, let's say it here. I will write here learn as fun. So then I will press, or you can close header footer. See here, it is coming down. Now if the pages are 50 or even more, the footer will be same for all the pages. Now from the insert button you have page number options as well. You can write the page number at the top of the page. Sorry, by mistake the recording is stopped. So you can write the page number at the bottom of the page, at the top of the page, or at the page margin side or current position. Okay, but remember when you will write the page number at whatever the position, for example at the bottom of the page, so the header will go automatically. No, sorry, the footer will go automatically, because see I'm putting it down. So footer, I'm putting footer as page number, so the other options of the footer will go, but you can just edit from your own that learn is one, and here you can just write page number one, or you can just give one thing blank space like space, and see you will put space, and you can just adjust it according to you, so that your name will also come and the page number will also come. See, like that. Okay, so you can adjust that. I already told you. But if you write the head page number at the top of the page, the header will go and you have to edit it. So that's it. This is how you can create header, footer, and page number. So this is the main thing. Once you have to write any document, any resume for you, this must you should know about that. This is the must thing. So if you like the video, you have to comment me down, you have to subscribe, and you should comment me that which type of videos you want me to see. There are a lot of things in MS Word, I'm telling you. So we can explore one by one each, but I want a big response from you guys. So keep supporting, keep loving. Have a nice day. Bye. Take care. Allah Hafiz.